Let's go.
Now, have you ever thought about running your own business? Well, Danny and I both run our own businesses, and if you do it properly, that's to be very rewarding. If you've thought about investing in a franchise, well, now's a great time to invest because we have found what we think is one of the best franchise ideas in Australia. Their demand is soaring through the roof at the moment. They're called Ovenu, and they're here to help us clean this oven. Hey buddy, good to see you mate, Daniel.
Good morning.
You're very brave in a t-shirt in the wintry mountain weather.
Yeah, it's a bit cold today.
Tell me about Ovenu because you guys are killing it. We're seeing it everywhere at the moment.
Yeah, we're absolutely flat out at the moment. We need as many franchisees as we can get because we just can't keep up at the moment.
So you're going in there and you're ripping out people's ovens basically, and just because this one smokes, every time they turn it on, you're getting black smoke coming out. What do you guys do?
Well, we take the whole thing apart. So we take off the door, we separate the glass on the inside, take out all the racks, trays, and back panel, fans, because all the fat gets sucked behind by the fan. So all those elements get coated in grease and fat, and then when you turn it on, it can actually catch fire if you're not careful. So you've got to make sure you clean all that properly. Wowzers.
Well, we might get inside and then you can explain a bit more, because I think we need to get out of the rain. What do you reckon?
That'd be a good idea.
Let's go, mate.
Yeah, well, whenever the fan's running, it's actually sucking all the grease and the fat behind the back panel, so around the elements there, and especially on the roof as well, where it splatters, it can actually catch fire because grease and fat is flammable. So.
And you're getting more efficiency out of your oven once it's clean as well, especially in electric ovens. I imagine that you're getting a bit more, well, how it should have been made to operate.
Yeah, well, it definitely runs better if it's been cleaned properly, especially with gas ones as well, because they can actually block the burners and the pipes as well, so it's important to keep them clean.
So good, you're my sugar sweet addiction.
God, this is such a clean oven now. It is amazing.
It's virtually sparkling.
I think as a customer, if you got this done, you would be so happy, I think.
No one wants to clean their own oven.
Exactly. That's why as a franchise owner, you're kind of cleaning up, get it, on this sort of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And you're working with really cool people all day as well. It'll be good.
You are as well. Now, if you're interested in getting a quote to have your oven cleaned or to find out more about a franchise opportunity, head to the website ovenu.com.au.
Now, I think you can cook me a roast in here.
Oh, well, I think you can cook me a cake.
I think we will probably end up poisoned.